Welcome to System Spotlight, giving you an in-depth look at some of Shuttleworth's more advanced product handling systems and conveyor applications. In this video, we will showcase a solution for one of our customers that wanted to sort out different variety of tees so that the same tee type is in a dedicated lane for case packing. The engineering team at Shuttleworth chose Shuttleworth's slip torque conveyor design for this application because of its gentle handling qualities. Fractional horsepower drives power the chain that turns the roller shafts, making the system very energy efficient. Cartons are introduced to the system in 2 lanes with the barcode edge leading. The overhead mounted scanner scans the barcode to determine which lane the carton is diverted. With up to 8 different types of tea being cartoned at the same time, a series of diverts directs the cartons to the appropriate lane. The cartons are then oriented to the up position, allowing them to be in the proper orientation for feeding the case packer. Multi-lane conveying and accumulation is easily accomplished with overhead mounted guides keeping the lanes separated. The unique design of the Shuttleworth slip torque conveyor allows the rollers underneath the product to stop during accumulation. This causes the reduction or elimination of product surface scuffing that you would typically see from conventional mat top or belt conveyors that continue to move under the product during accumulation. When accumulating in multiple lanes, only the rollers in a lane that is backed up stop under the product, letting the cartons in the other lanes continue to convey forward. Due to the slip torque's extreme low line pressure, the manufacturer doesn't need to worry about damaging or crushing the cartons as they accumulate. As the packages accumulate behind a pneumatic product stop located in each lane, the in-surface mounted sensors tell the system controller when there are enough cartons of the same type in a lane to fill a case. When each lane has enough product to fill a case, the lane is released. When the stop is lowered, a speed change is utilized to create a gap between packages as they pass over the sensors and product stops. This gap allows the stop to be raised at any time between packages. A second set of diverters puts the same type of tea cartons into 2 lanes, providing the proper pattern for feeding the case packer. For more information on Shuttleworth capabilities and solutions, please visit our website at shuttleworth.com.